how to make money on people per hour as an Instagram caption writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners that visit this platform looking to hire someone or to hire a freelancer to save their time and also to benefit those freelancers and to get some quality job. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for an Instagram caption writer, I will just come to the platform, go to the search in here and type Instagram caption writer and click on the search to see all of the freelancers that are offering or that can do the skill for me. So here we have a lot of profiles of freelancers that are doing that skill and how much they're getting paid per hour by doing that skill. We can also check their profile to see their description, the other skills that they can perform, how much sales they've got, their feedback, and everything about their journey in the platform. So I'm going to show you in today's video how you can create your own profile as well, where you're going to showcase your skills, where you're going to have your feedbacks, how many sales you've got, and your hourly rate. So let's go back to the main page and click on the freelancer button in your top right, and then choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email and my password. I'm going to enter my password and click on login. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first step is to drop your profile picture. Then you proceed to enter in your job title, and you have here an example, award-winning web developer, or you can go with Instagram caption writer. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15. So make sure to use all of these spots wisely. Let's start with Instagram. We have Instagram marketing, advertisement management, API. We need Instagram caption, or let's go with caption writer. So we can't find that. If you can't find your skill in here, just go to contact us and enter the skill you're searching for, and then click on submit. And here you will be, thanks for submitting a new skill, we will review it soon. So after submitting the skill that you want to choose, then you proceed to the about you section. But first, let's just go with Instagram marketing in order to not leave the skills blank. Let's go with Instagram marketing and Instagram management, and then we proceed to the about you section. So here you're going to describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to make a great description for your profile, the method I like to use personally is going to the search and checking the other freelancers descriptions, seeing what are they talking about in the description, how are they talking about it. So let's go to the search here, click on search freelancers, and let's drop the skill we're searching for, Instagram caption writer. Click on search, and let's go with all offers. And here we will be able to see all of them freelancers. Let's check, but this is an agency. Let's check someone which is an individual. Run all your social media accounts for 5 days. That's not what we're looking for. Boost your social media to 1,000 people for ranking and SEO. Organic Instagram promotion through proven and safe methods. Let's check this one's profile. And he's got 217 sales. And he's from the top searched people in PeoplePerHour. Let's check his description. He's from North Macedonia, and from the get-go it's a very long description. As you can see, you will need to scroll down in order to read all of his description, and that's not very good for a beginner. He's not a beginner, but for us, we are beginners. So in order to make a decent description, I'll advise you to make it to this long. That's the longest you'll need your description to be. And also make sure it's not very short. Make sure it's not this short, because that is very short. Make sure it's at least 2 or 3 paragraphs, like that. And then that's a great description. But let's check someone else's description. As I said, this man's description is very long. It's not a great example. Let's check this one's description. He's got 100 sales. Let's read more. So as I said, this is again a short description. It needs to be at least 3 or 2 paragraphs. So I think you get the idea, guys, of how the description should be. And when you're done with getting inspiration, when you check all of some of these freelancers' descriptions, also make sure to pay attention to the prices, see how much they're getting paid and why they're getting paid the amount they're getting paid, in order to choose your hourly rate as well. And when you're ready to choose that, go to this button, click on the profile, and here click on the edit button, and here you'll be able to change everything about your profile, from the description to the hourly rate as well. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.